The Pomodoro Technique, your key to laser-focused productivity. In today's fast-paced world, staying focused and productive can be a real challenge. If I told you there's a simple technique that can help you regain control of your time and skyrocket your productivity. Welcome to the Pomodoro Technique, your key to laser-focused productivity. Start by understanding what the Pomodoro Technique is all about. Time management method that was developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. The name Pomodoro is Italian. Our idea is simple: work in short, focused bursts, typically 25 minutes, and then take a short break. These focused work intervals are called Pomodoro. You concentrate on a single task and eliminate distractions. The 25 minutes are up, take a 5-minute break to recharge. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. You might wonder why this technique is so effective. The Pomodoro Technique helps improve your focus, reduce procrastination, and increase overall productivity. It helps prevent burnout by encouraging regular breaks. Like any technique, the Pomodoro Technique comes with its challenges. Being disciplined and adapting to unexpected interruptions can be tough. With practice and a few adjustments, you can overcome these hurdles. To most of the Pomodoro Technique, here are some tips. Set clear goals for each Pomodoro, eliminate distractions, and use a timer to stay on track. Don't forget to celebrate your small wins after each Pomodoro. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone looking to boost productivity, give the Pomodoro Technique a try. Just be the key to unlocking your laser-focused productivity and achieving your goals. Thanks for watching the Pomodoro Technique, your key to laser-focused productivity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips. Productive, and remember, time is your most valuable resource.